So today we have this neck air fan. It has 3 different modes and it's very foldable and portable, so easy to carry on the go when you're on a run. And it has quick cooling and very convenient. It has 4 little air vents here so you get plenty of air, and it has an on and off button and a pause. So let's go ahead and try it out.
Flare camera showing you guys that it's blue because it's cooled right now. It's been on for like more than a minute. You guys can see that my head is still warm, but it's getting colder by the minute, and the system is working in. It's actually kicking in, if you guys can see. I like it. Look how cold it is. Look how blue it gets. All right, it's because it's keeping cold air. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.